Eric has food laying on him because he's trying to eat the birthday. Eric, you're just holding it in your hands. No! Eric, they're getting really bad and Rachel's crying. Stop.
Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button. Turn notifications to be a huge thumbs up.
Hey fam. Hi, we're going to Lincoln City today. And first we're going to stop by the old dollar store to get some sand buckets so we can make sand castles. We need some shovels, sand buckets, and we're going to go out there. We brought some bread to feed the seagulls. And we're probably going to stop and get like a burger before we go.
I thought we said no food in the car.
Right. It's right behind me. Well, you know, maybe we won't eat the food in the car. We'll eat it when we get out. How about that? How about that?
Maybe.
How about
But it's
that?
okay. We can still eat in the car, Mom.
You shouldn't. You shan't. Chicken nuggets?
No chicken nuggets.
Alright, we'll see when we get there. Alright, we are in the line for McDonald's. The line was so long, it was out to the road, and it took us a while, but it's killing some time because we're going to meet Eric after he's done passing out his business flyers. We're here, guys. Kendall said, Mom, I found a rotten Dairy Queen. I don't remember the last time we ate Dairy Queen. Alright, we're here, getting out. You guys want to shut that door? Gonna shut that door? The door? Here, let's walk on the sidewalk this way. Oh. Good, everyone has shoes on.
I need my hat.
Cars, can you grab Jude's hat real quick out of the back? Let's see. Yeah, it's kind of windy. Little chilly. It's like 68. Or actually, no, I think it's a little less than that, like 66 or something. Oh, cool. Look at the airplane. Can't find your hat, Jude.
There's sun in my eye.
Okay, we're gonna go.
I can find it.
You really can't find her hat anywhere? Will you look in the back? Like lift up the back and look? You know, I don't blame her. It's kind of hard to find. Oh, okay, cool. We found it. I was gonna say it's kind of hard to find anything in this car. Okay. Yuck. Yuck. Ugh. You guys, it's so wet on the rocks. Ooh, be careful. Maybe, okay, this whole time I thought I was recording, but I wasn't, but we just walked, or I think, I don't know. We were just walking over those rocks. Now when we're out here, we're going to build some sand castles. Come this way. Come on, babe. We're going to go, nope, that's too wet. I want a little bit right here. We're going to walk this way. Right here. You want to stop right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Stop right here. Right here, Judy. It's so windy. Oh my goodness. It's so windy. I didn't know it was that windy. I should have looked. Look at Jude's hat. She looks like it's about to fall off. Judy's building a sand castle.
Can I go walk in it?
Yeah. Build your sand castle, Rach. Build your sand castle, dig. Yeah, teach her how to put it in the bucket. Look, you put the sand in the bucket, baby. Look, Rach. Put it in here. You guys, look. This is how we do it. Yeah, this is how we do it. This is how we do it. Where I'm from. Here, look it, baby. Look. Look. You dig? And you put it in here. Dig. Yeah, there you go. Here's another. No, it's freezing.
I need a shovel.
For what? Here, Mom. Can I go in it?
Yeah, but Ray cried and said it was too cold. Look, Rach. Look. Look, do you know how to do this? Look, you put it in the fish. And then, and look, Ray. Okay, look. Ready?
Yeah, I know how to use them.
Oh, I did it too hard.
You didn't pat it.
Is it called? The baby's all snuggled up. Don't worry about her, guys. She's like right on my chest in the warmth. She's what's keeping me pretty much warm. I'm not warm, but I mean, you know. Welcome to the Oregon Grove. Some people huddled underneath some stuff. Why can't I think of it? They're huddled underneath umbrellas. Sorry. I'm sorry. There's Kindle. We're waiting for Dad to get down here. He's bringing me some food. We're trying to eat healthier, and I got the kids some McDonald's. They're eating healthy. I mean, they're eating healthy too, but we got them some McDonald's. It's windy. We got them some McDonald's, and I wanted to eat it so bad, and I was like, nope, don't do it. So he's gonna go get us something else. You're crazy.
You're crazy, Martin. No! Judy!
Where's Judy? Look what you need to do. Fill them with sand and they'll stay. Fill your bucket right there. Rach is upset because Jude took a bucket, but it's not. Oh my gosh, my legs are sore. When me and Eric worked out, my legs hurt so bad I could hardly get up off the ground right now. Gosh. Jeez. Great. You have a bucket right here. Right there. You get your bucket. Look! Eric's here. He brought me a sandwich. Okay, Eric is here. Oh, that's way better. I already told them that I've been messing with the camera and I can't figure it out. Eric's helping me. Eric brought me, this is what I look like because I got so cold. Eric brought me a sweater and have the baby zipped up in it. Here they go, they're filming some seagulls. A seagull. It sucks because I can't get it to focus on anything.
Spread out, they'll come.
look at Rach. Oh, Rach got scared. Judy. Jude, come here. Rachel will find it. Huh. Yeah. Oh, you guys got a ton over here. They're invading. Oh, this one. Get a little something. They hungry. Oh, they hungry. Oh, it dropped it. I'm watching it. What is? Hold it up high in the air and see if they come and get it. Eric! Eric! We're gonna see if they'll come and get it over here. Keep holding it! Hold it up high! Hold it, cars, hold it! Come on, hand feed them! Hand feed them, hand feed them! They're thinking about it. Poor Ruby. Right, you touched her eye and there's sand in it, I think.
The mad flock of seagulls! Ah! Come here, you bloody bastard!
You want down? Come on this way. Come here.
Look like the weekend surgery. Oh. Okay. Hey guys, it's Carson here. The Weekend.
Mom, Hill.
The Weekend. He's a singer. I think, right? Yes. So we are leaving the beach right now, and we had a ton of seagulls swarm on us. So we'll see you in a little bit.
Just pulled up at his house. Ray, you fell asleep and your gum was in your mouth in the front. It was funny. Okay, we're gonna get everybody out.
Because I chewed it.